Guys, it's a new week. It's Tina Marie with True Meaning of Radiance. Had to show y'all my drip real quick. Look at me, look at me, look at my drip. All right. If you're not subscribed, right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on. So each and every time I upload, you are alerted. So we're at Bath and Body Works because my girl, Leanne Jordy, hey girl, she told me that the La Frontera location had the new candles. When I first walk in, the first thing I see, y'all, look, $6.95 gift sets and gift bags. What? So I think that's a pretty good deal. So you can get those last minute gifts for the holidays. Why not? Because I think, what are these, like normally like $12, $11. Some are higher. So $6.95 is a good deal. So let's keep it pushing. Some coziest blankets were there. They had 2 left. And y'all, I like the blanket. Like, I've been seeing it all over Instagram. So I've been liking the blanket. Now let's talk Tiki Beach. Now, come on, Bath and Body. What's up with this green? Like, it's giving Christmas vibes. Why did y'all come out with this green? I don't know. Because Tiki Beach, I am not even thinking about burning right now. Tiki Beach is one of those scents you burn in the summer. It's a nice summer day. You're doing laundry, or you got the windows open, or it's spring. You know, I don't want to look at that green. You know what I mean? And then we got the sea salt and balsam. Like, we're going to talk about all of these. We're going to talk about all of them. I'm just giving you a little overview of what everything looks like. Of course, strawberry pound cake. We can't get rid of strawberry pound cake. Like, it ain't going nowhere. But let's start with Tea Rose. That thing stank. Y'all, Tea Rose steak. Oh my God. Me and the associate both smelled it. Was like, whew. You know, but it come out all the time. And you know it's overwhelming. We all know it's overpowering. Deep Blue Sea. I love the packaging on that. Let's get into sea salt and balsam. I actually was digging that one. That one was all right. I think that's a good winter going into spring scent. That's when I would burn it. Plus, again, the packaging, A1. Strawberry pound cake. Strawberry pound cake. We seen that. This is sunshine and daffodils. It's another good one going into spring. So as we transition over, if you notice, the price of the candles now are $26.95. We'll talk about that in a minute. Amethyst Dreams, I did like that. Okay, so that was a really nice scent, a little bit like a floral perfumey type of scent, and that was good. I was surprised. I liked it. I liked it. This one too. This was more earthy. Vivid Emerald. Is that a word? Earthy. Yeah, I think so. And that's what I got from that. And it's $26.95. Again, candles are no longer $26.50. They're $26.95. Bath and Body Works is trying to price themselves out the market. Next thing you know, one candle is going to be $30. They're going to price themselves out the market because small companies, they're even charging $26, $30 for a candle. So they're right on par with them now. And they're small companies, so they don't even have the fundage Bath and Body Works has. So just a food for thought. Might be able to go a different route soon. But Indigo Paradise, I did like that one. That one was good. Love the packaging. Hey, Sapphire Quartz, that one smelled good as well. Just pause it as you go. That way you can see the notes. But I like that one too. I was so surprised that so many I liked. The candles are on sale. Like I said, if I didn't say it, I'm sorry. Buy 2, get 2. And Candle Day just passed, so I don't see a point of buying candles right now. Blueberry Marshmallow Bar. Y'all, that thing's sweet. Like, it smells like a candy to me. So I'm not even going to cap. This is on my list. I want this. I don't need to hoard it, but it would be nice to have 2, like 2 and done. Champagne Toast coming back for its like 100th remix, maybe 1,000 at this point. But Champagne Toast, that's one thing they're going to keep repackaging until Jesus comes back to pick us up. Like, period. Okay. So yeah, they had some other candles in here as well. I love Laundry Day. These 1 wicks was doing the thing. Like, these 1 wicks, I hope these come out in 3 wicks because they give me like a spa like vibe, and I really like them. But back to the buy 2 get 2. I think only people that's really going to be doing buy 2 get 2 is just people that didn't have the money for Candle Day. Let's be honest. Candle Day came at the first of the month. A lot of people are paying their bills. They're paying their rent. And people are not thinking about candles. So this could be the time for the person that didn't get to take advantage of Candle Day, and this is their time to get some candles. Maybe they got a coupon, but if you don't even have a coupon, then what? And look, people already returning that dang on fresh balsam from the box. Okay, they already exchanging, doing swap outs. Okay, they said we can swap it out. They're already swapping out stuff from the box. Like, it's crazy. But I'm falling in love with that thing right there. That marble thing. I don't know why. At first I was like, I don't like it. I don't like it. But the more I see it, I'm loving it. So this part of the video is for people that want to know Ibotta a little bit more. Now, all you have to do is download the Ibotta app because I get asked about this a lot. I actually went to Sprouts right before not Candle Day, Body Care Day. And all you do is you pick the items that you want that have the cash back. You pick from that and then you create a list. It creates a list for you. So when you're in the grocery store, you just shop from that list. Like Waterloo was on there. It was $1 cash back if I got Waterloo. The pizzas were buy one, get one free. So they were on BOGO. And it's very important to pay attention to how many you must buy to get the money back. Now, I can tell you this. If you don't need something that's on the list of cashback items, don't just buy it to get cash back. Like, this stuff ain't cheap. So don't just be buying stuff just to be buying it. Like, we actually eat these items. So you definitely want to just pick things that you're going to use in your household. And I also want to tell y'all is to get the cash back and have it fully uploaded, it can take up to 24 hours. But I'm a rebel. Okay. And that granola butter, just so y'all know, is lit. I'm a rebel. I went here right before I went to Body Care Day. Okay. And when I got to the register, it said, you got cash from Ibotta. Because I was like, either way, it'll just sit there, the cash back. But it showed up right at the time it was time for me to check out. I said, look at God. Look at God, okay? But basically, that's how you use Ibotta. So once after you got all your stuff, you're ready to check out, you go to the register, right? Then you go back in your app. So you go to Sprouts, and then you go ahead and click on the upload receipt button. Once you click on the upload receipt button, it'll come to this part. You'll upload your receipt, and then it'll find the offers of what you got from the store. They match me to 4 offers. So then I accept it. Okay, those are the 4 offers. And then it uploaded my receipt. Okay, and I got $11.98 back that I used during Body Care Day with the Bath and Body Works. I bought a gift card, plus I already had like $4 in there. So I used that as well too. The little preview video just telling you what I thought. Overall, the candles is helpful. Only one of them stank. And that's in my opinion. Only one stank. And that's just because I'm not a big rose person. Y'all know me. I'm not that rose girl. That's not my cup of tea. But people love rose. It's not my scent, even though I love my pink petal tea cake. Okay. But it's just not my favorite scent. But for the people that love it, they'll love it. But nothing bad to say. Did I feel like I needed to grab today? No. I didn't feel that urge in none of these candles, not even the blueberry, to grab today. Like, none of them caught me like, oh, this is going to be the jam. And I think going forward, that's how I'm going to be. I'm going to be more picky, more selective. If it ain't the jam and I need it right now, it can wait. And that's what I'm going to wait for, like a $12.95 day or something like that. And when that happens, then there's a few of them I definitely want to pick up. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad to be back. And I'll be in tomorrow's video, which will be a haul that you guys voted for. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.